Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make a Lazy Susan. Let's get into it. You can use any wood you want for your Lazy Susan, but I decided to pick up one of these pre-cut round slabs from the local hardware store. I like the fact that it's super thick and it's already rounded over and really nice and smooth. They actually sell a variety of different sizes, so you can have your pick of how big you want your Lazy Susan to be. Once we decided what we wanted on the Lazy Susan, we just used our new X-Carve to carve it out. For the base of the Lazy Susan, I just used a scrap piece of pine board. I used my tape measure as a makeshift circle jig to trace out the circle that I wanted on the piece of pine. I used my router with a chamfer bit to put a nice chamfer all the way around the edge of the base. I made sure to pre-drill all the holes that I was going to need in the base before we put a finish on it. In order to attach the top onto the Lazy Susan bracket, I needed to drill some holes all the way through the base that were large enough for the bit of my drill and the screw to fit through and get to the bracket. After thinking about it, I probably could have just drilled one hole and spun it around, but it's on the bottom, nobody's going to see it anyway. I wanted the base to be a little bit smaller, so I ended up having to trim the bracket a little bit so it would fit properly on the base. Before staining our pieces the color that we wanted, we used some pre-stain on both of them. This will help the stain to not look so blotchy on the wood. After the stain was dry, we applied a couple coats of polyurethane to both pieces. The brackets that we're using for our Lazy Susan are really easy to find online, and they come in a variety of different sizes. We got ours in a 6-pack on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below. Alright, our Lazy Susan project is finished, and I'm really happy with the end result. This is a quick and easy woodworking project that anyone can tackle. I'm especially happy with this finish we were able to get. We used Behr's new water-based dark walnut stain, and even though this is just pine, it has a very high-end look to it. It was a lot of fun to be able to use our new CNC on this project, but you don't need a CNC to build one of these Lazy Susans. You can use a wood burner, paint, stencils, or any other kind of decorating material that you like. It is a fun project that makes a great addition to any dining room table. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We have tons of other projects on our channel, so make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we would love to hear what you thought of this project in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.